Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to reverse a video on the TikTok in 2023. So if you want to reverse any video using your TikTok application, how you can do it, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your TikTok mobile application and log into your account. After that, you have to click on this plus icon, and once you will do it, here you will see upload button, or you can simply record a new video. I simply upload video from here, then click on the next from the right bottom. Now video is here. Here you will see effect option, click right here. Now you have to swipe to the left, and here you will see time option, click on it, and here you will see reverse option, click here, and now you can see video is reversed. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.